How to change VPN server location in Surfshark. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change VPN server location in Surfshark. To change the VPN server location, you'll have to follow these steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your Surfshark application. So when you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and if you're already connected to a server, you can just go ahead and disconnect it by tapping the disconnect button. And this is going to bring you back to the main screen of the app itself, and on the main screen you'll see a list of available server locations. You need to scroll through the list or use the search bar tool to find the location you want to connect to. And once you found your desired server location, you can just go ahead and tap on it to select it, then tap the connect button once again to establish a connection to the chosen server. And after a few moments, the Surfshark will connect you to a new server location, and you'll see a confirmation message indicating that you're now connected. So to ensure that you're connected to a desired server location, you can check your IP address using the Surfshark built-in tool, or by visiting the website that displays on your IP address. So that's how you can change your location in Surfshark. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.